Howdy, folks. Trying to eat my lunch, make a movie at the same time, a video at the same time, but not working out too good. Anyway, here's a picture I picked up off Art Aliens channel. He's got a bunch of stuff there with some canals and stuff, but I'm interested in this area up in here. What is this? Look at this. This is a building. Look at it. Square, corners, whatever this is, with what looks like a doorway. And then little, it's like a tower here. Then you get this. There are some parts of this picture that whatever this is, it throws this big shadow. I don't know about you, but I see faces all over this thing. So, Paragoria, or whatever they call it, could be working overtime. Or, I actually see a bunch of giant statues standing here. That's, that was no good. Let's see what we can see. And that made it worse. Forgot to reset it. It's obviously there's thoroughfares and buildings and you name it. It's in this picture. Yes. Look at it. I'll tell you what, these sand dunes, or whatever they are not sand dunes. Here, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to flip it to the left. Go look at these sand dunes. Supposed sand dunes. Why do they look like they're hovering off the ground? Okay, with a shadow under them. And each one of them has something at the end. Yeah. What are those? Huh? Now we can explain all these big dome things on there. Yeah. Sand dunes, right out in the middle of nowhere. They're above the ground. I don't know what they use them for, but they're not sand dunes. Look at it. It's almost like it's crossing from one side to the other. See this? These are his marks. Those aren't mine. But then, you know, you get the faces. I don't get it. They're too damn detailed to be just my mind making things up. Whatever these are for, they use them. Whatever these are, they ain't sand dunes. Because why, you know, it's got like, they all have these spidery things coming off of them. Almost like they're distributing it. They're distributing something to different sections. I mean, look at this shit. Go down in here. Okay? But this is all some kind of housing. Who knows? After 2 million years, they're probably pretty well overpopulated. I wonder, how do rocks do this? How do rocks, like, line themselves up like that? Look at this. We got letters, we got numbers. I swear this stuff here are actual letters, but they've squirreled it out. Yeah. Buildings. Buildings. Look at this. Look at it here. It's like it's got a road or something coming through, just like you see in any city. Except for these alleged sand dune pipes. Look at this. What do you think? Yeah. I don't get this kind of crap, man. Sand dunes. Yeah. Yeah, that's what they are, sand dunes. No. Why are they ribbed? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. All you gotta do is get that glare out of it. And this is what you get. Hey, watch this. These things are off the ground. No way are those sand dunes. You see structure under it. But everything. Take one of these shitty areas. I'll do it over here. So zoom in. These are his canals and stuff. Mm-hmm. Look at this. See some detail now? What is all this junk? Pops right out, huh? Suppose I gotta do this period here. Make myself happy. Should do the whole picture, but I don't think it comes out as good. Look at this. What's that? It goes, runs here, goes all the way down, over, hooks in over here. Well, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. It's pretty well choked up with crap here, huh? There's all kinds of crap here. And there ain't rocks. Rocks. Look at this. Rocks that go. Rocks with design. Isn't that wonderful? Alright, guys. Let's see, I gotta go to work. Bye.